In this video, we will count the number of each vowels. So let's make a string of vowels A, E, I, O, U. Okay, and I am going to make a IP underscore string equals. So let's put the string as U will never go wrong in doing what is right. Okay, so this is our string. So now we'll make a suitable caseless comparison. So IP underscore str equals IP underscore str dot casefold. Okay, and then we'll make a dictionary with each vowel as the key. Okay, and value as 0 from keys. Okay, and we'll make vowels and 0. Okay, so we'll count the number of vowels. So let's make a for statement for character in IP underscore string. Okay, and then we'll make if statement if character in count, and we'll increment the count by 1. Okay, so let's print the count now. So you can see the number of vowels: A 1 time, E 2 times, and 5 times I, so and so on. So here we have taken a string stored in IP underscore string using the method casefold. We have make it suitable for caseless comparisons. Basically the method returns a lowercase version of the string, and then we use the dictionary method fromkeys to construct a new dictionary with each vowel as its key and all values equal to 0. Okay, this is the initialization of the count. Next we iterate over the input string using a for loop. In each iteration we check if the character is in the dictionary. If true, it is a vowel and it increments the value by 1. Okay, so now we will count the number of each vowel using a string. So let's make a IP string and let's do this as the secret of passion is purpose. Okay, so this is our new string. So let's make a caseless comparison. IP underscore str is equals IP underscore str dot casefold. Okay, and then we'll count the vowels. Okay, so count equals x sum. Okay, and then 1 for character in IP underscore string if character is equals to x. Okay, and then we'll make for x in A, E, I, O and U. Okay, so this is our vowels. So let's print the count now. So you can see the count: 1 4 2 O 3 times and U 1 time. So the output of this program is the same as the above. Here we have nested a list comparison inside a dictionary comprehension to count the vowels in a single line. The dictionary comprehension runs for all vowel characters, and the list comprehension inside the dictionary comprehension checks if any character in the string match the particular vowel. At the end, a list with ones is generated for the number of each vowel character. The sum method is used to calculate the sum of the elements for each list. However, this program is slower as we iterate over the entire input string for each vowel.